This video will go over just a quick way to merge two territories together in MapBusiness Online. So first, you could use the search tools if you wanted to. They're the little shapes with binoculars at the top. And you could draw a freeform area that goes inside of this, and then you can kind of remove them from one territory and then add them to another. But I'm going to do it a different method. I'm going to use the data window at the top here. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to see all the territories listed here. If I need to see the zips that are in territory 2, I can click this little arrow here and it pulls up all the zip codes that are in territory 2. So next I can click add to territory. I'm going to choose all geographies in the data window, and I'm going to first add them to territory 1, and now I'm going to click this button again, choose all geographies in the data window, and this time I'm going to remove them from territory 2. And so now all of those zips that were in territory 2 are now in territory 1. We can confirm that because there's no zips in this. And if I did want to just completely get rid of what was territory 2 now, I can go up to this manage button and I can see this territory 2 that doesn't really exist anymore, and I can just click that delete button, and now we just have territory 1 on the map and it's twice as big. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks and have a great day.